Speed on the horizon there, the bum checker, look at it wobbling through there, blimey, look at that. Over, oh, the front wheel's gone, he's in trouble now. Oh, he's in trouble now, but he's still going. Can he get round that corner? Yes, he can. This is fantastic driving, look at this. He's fighting and fighting that Soapbox. Down we go, over the kicker. Oh, look at that, over the kicker. Navigated, and they're getting slightly bad here, are they? Oh, look at that. Well, it all went wrong. Starting to maybe wobble slightly, over the jump they go. Got to keep it together here. Oh, they've lost it, and they've gone out front first. The no! Oh!
Soapbox and it's special, yes!
Oh!
Kyss Karlsson.
Under control at the moment, Henry. We have spilled Team to Sky now.
Over there just about. The double kicker comes next. Speed's a real problem here. Oh, it's not just the speed that's a problem. Oh, it's gone.
I don't want to die. You might not get a choice. I got it!
Wheels at the back than we see at the front. And already maybe one or two signs it's not that easy to control. He's very high, the driver, and he just went up onto two wheels there. Over Dutch mountains. Oh, the head's gone. Oh, he's gone. He's completely gone. Nobody can steer. Oh, he's into the crowd.
Easy on the brake. Oh, a little road rash there.
He's still kicking along, whether he's... Oh, he... Now you can tell it's definitely not a real man. The fellow at the back is struggling to see. The legs are still pumping away. They're trying to get the other fella up right now. And they go down the steep part of the circuit. And they're okay so far. Don't forget they promised us no win. Oh, it's gone. Look at that. The wheels have completely gone and they will not... through the last chicane, over the ramp. There. Oh! What about that?
All right, sunshine.
So let's see what happens now. They're still chasing down the two lads at the back because they know there might be problems ahead. Here's the Bone Shaker. Can they get through the Bone Shaker? No! Oh, look at that. It's too wide. The goal.
Wow, this is really
To the crowd.
To see this one coming in. Oh no, there it is.
Here he comes then. Can he go? Oh, he's knocked the finish line down.
Yes!
This one's bumpy.
Oh dear. Oh.
To the back, look. I think that's Martin underneath. I didn't say. Oh, he's gone. He's gone. Blimey. Buzz Lightyear, didn't he? I thought he was off into orbit there, Buzz. Woody doing the driving, Buzz hanging on for grim death at the back. Down we go. And it's still going, and he's still on there, Buzz. He nearly went then. Keep hanging on, my friend, and under the arch. And oh, look at the finish. He hung on all the way down. Down go the Coffin Dodgers. This looks like a really good run. Over there, oh, plenty of height through there. No problem so far. Oh, he tries to stop it, he rolls it past the finish line, but he punches the air.